Hi, in this video we will show you a little bit of Johnshaven in Scotland. Johnshaven is a quaint fishing village on the Aberdeenshire coast where you can enjoy the sea breeze and the local delicacy of the sea pie, a hearty dish of steak, potato and onion. Johnshaven has a rich maritime heritage dating back to the 18th century when it was one of Scotland's largest and most important fishing towns. You can learn more about the village's history and culture at the Benholm and Johnshaven Heritage Museum, which is housed in a restored lifeboat shed overlooking the harbour. It is only open at certain times, so you need to check that beforehand. Johnshaven is also home to the nationally acclaimed fish festival, which celebrates the village's famous shellfish and its prominence in the industry. If you're looking for a relaxed getaway, you can stay at one of the charming cottages or hotels in Johnshaven and enjoy the scenic views of the North Sea and the red sandstone cliffs of Milton Ness. Johnshaven is a hidden gem on the Scottish coast where you can experience the authentic charm and hospitality of a fishing community. We can personally really recommend to you to try a delicious lobster roll at the Lobster Shop, and even our baby daughter, she loved the crab pate from there, so check that out. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And now we will show you a little bit more of Johnshaven.